guys, yeah, I'm here again for another showing of my app, right? This is my latest app. Although this is not part of Python encoding or Python coding, this is all about React and Firebase database of Google. Okay, I created this what you call this voting system because yeah, I just want to try if this is feasible that I can apply on our system, on our Philippine voting system here in the Philippines. Okay, and yeah, I'll show it to you. I'll show you the code that I created and the Firebase that I configured. Okay, here's the Firebase, the Firestore database, and as you can see here, right, here are the voters. It will going to generate a unique uh, identifier for certain voters, and here are the candidate. These are fictitious candidate that I put here in Firestore or in Firebase. Now the code will be two. Okay, there the code will be, hold on, I'm just going to put this, okay. Mhm. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Oh gosh, it's not, hold on. Okay. The, here's the Firebase code. Okay. And as you can see, it's initialized the app from the Firebase app because I created an app in Firebase, which is voting dash app. And as you can see, the import are collection, add doc, get doc, doc, update doc, increment, set doc. Okay. I also created the what you call this, the hold on, the dashboard. Although there's some issue with the dashboard, so that the admin person will be the one who's going to manage the system. Okay, so I'm not going to show that to you for now. And here's the app.tsx. Oh, by the way, I'm not using JavaScript. I'm using TypeScript. Okay, and this is the code that I created. Right? Let's see it in action. Okay, I'm going to run npm. Okay, let's hold on. That's going to be npm run dev. Okay, as you can see, it's created in the local machine, local host on my computer, and the port number is 5173. Going to copy that, and then I'm going to go to this code, and then I run it. Okay, as you can see, it generates a voter's ID. If we're going to do that, we're going to click on it. We're going to go to Firebase and then going to go on voters. Okay, it will going to show this unique identifier once you click on the vote. Who will be your vote? Okay, who will vote for one Cruz or let's call this Jose Santos, right? Now I'm going to click on one Cruz and it will going to increment and there's no more option to click on. Okay, as you can see, you can no longer click on that. Okay, and if you're going to go to Firebase, it will going to give you the unique identifier. That's the person who voted. Okay, we're going to go to vote. As you can see, one Cruz has one vote. Okay, and Jose Santos doesn't have a vote yet. Okay, now here's the feature. Here's the some of the upgrades that I'm going to put here. And this is the, for instance, I'm going to um, refresh, right? Refresh it. Okay, I'm going to generate one. As you can see, you you can vote again, right? You can vote again. Okay, you have one vote and that's two votes. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a different approach to, to make sure that the IP address of the computer that you're using will be blocked once you use the link to vote for another candidate. Okay, that's one. All right. And also some browsers, if you're using the same browser or if you're using your phone's browser, even though that's Firefox browser on the Chrome or on the app on the Google on the Android or Apple Store, if you're using Safari, you're using other browser application, or if you're using incognito in uh, in what you call this in Google Chrome, okay, and if you're using private VPN in what you call it, or private window in Firefox, or if you're using Opera using their VPN. Okay, Opera has three VPNs that you can use, which is Asia, Europe, and Americas. Okay, so that's one of the what you call this features that I'm going to implement on my system. All right. Thank you very much, and thank you for listening.